Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Look at Trillanes. Para ho siyang asong ulol ng kahul. Lahat na ho sinasabi ho natin dito. And it will never stop because you know what? There will always be a space. And always be an airtime for the news. That's not necessarily news, but a fake news. And they want to make it real. Sa mga sinasabi ho nating hogwash, puro ho mga basura ang pinagsasabi ho nitong si Trillanes. And he will make his own projection. Analysis that never was. Commentaries that are for 1 centavo ang worth it. And this guy can talk, and this guy can criticize, and this guy can project that etong si Duterte babagsak in the next five months. And nobody wants to believe him anymore because there's no more traction. Yung mga pinagsasabi ho nitong si Trillanes at what? Am I picking on Trillanes? No. Nobody believes this guy anymore. Kahit na nga siguro mananawa ka na eh. This is the guy, the sample of the boy who cried, wolf! And nobody, kung sino man naniniwala sa kanya, siguro asawa niya, anak niya, pamilya niya, kung naniniwala pa, pero alam naman, niloloko nila siya. That's part of the packaging. The branding. At yung mga choka rin niya sa Kongreso, you know, and everybody. Why am I talking this way? Because the yellow media, you know, sinasabi ho nila, lahat ho ng gagawin ng administrasyon ni Duterte at mga gabinete at yung mga sinasabing naka-align sa administrasyon ni Duterte, mali! Alam niyo ho ba bakit? Mali sa kanilang panlasa dahil mali daw yung presidente. Sa kanilang paniningin, mali. Ayaw ko maggamit ng daw. Mali ang presidente para sa kanila. Sinong tama? Dilaw ng mga presidente. Kung sino mga dilaw ang katsokaran, yun ang tama. You get what I'm saying?